Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing a brake light bulb on this Hyundai Getz 2008 model. So in order to get to it, we're just going to open the tailgate. There isn't any space at the back to get to the back of the light. Right, we're just going to undo this screw here. And then there's another one here. So just going to pull the light out like this. And the brake light bulb is just here, this one here. We're just gonna twist it anti-clockwise. Okay, so this is the old bulb. We're just gonna replace it with the new one. So there we go. So just gonna put it in and then twist it clockwise. Okay, you change the indicator bulb and the reverse light bulb same manner. So anti-clockwise, turn it anti-clockwise. So this is the indicator bulb. This is the indicator bulb. And then the reverse light bulb is here. So there we go. So I'm just gonna push the light in like this, and going to secure the light with these two small screws. There we go, friends. Pass the brake light bulb, replace in no time. It's the same procedure for the indicator bulb as well as the reverse light bulb. Thank you very much for watching the video.